Hello. Next demonstration is for the big arm crosses. So while you're doing this, you want to make sure that you have appropriate seating space and arm room so you don't smack anything. That would be painful for the hands. Done it many times myself. So abs engaged, nice and tall. You want to make sure you're pushing your hips forward so you really feel some tension in your glutes. And then just making big Venn diagrams with your arms. There's no real breathing time in here. You just want to make sure that you're not holding your breath while you do this. You're extending your arms as far out to the sides as you can the entire time. And you want to make sure you're not shrugging up into your ears. You want to keep the shoulders nice and low. And the other direction, again, just making those nice big Venn diagrams, alternating which arm you have on top each time. And make sure you have a slight bend to the knee. If you have yourself completely locked out, it's going to mess with your hip posture. So slight bend, and then just nice big circles. Okay, enjoy.